Top 5 domains for software engineers to focus on for a successful career. Hey there, future software engineers. Welcome back to my channel, Sachin Technopreneur. If you're about to graduate and are wondering which domains you should focus on to kickstart a successful career, you're in the right place. Today, we'll talk about the top 5 domains you should consider and the programming languages you need to get started. Let's dive in. First up, cybersecurity. With the increasing number of cyber threats, companies are investing heavily in protecting their data. Cybersecurity is one of the highest budget domains right now. If you're interested in this field, start by learning languages like Python and C++. Python is great for automation and building security tools, while C++ is useful for system programming and developing secure applications. Next, we have artificial intelligence or AI. AI is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance. To get started in AI, focus on learning Python and R. Python is the go-to language for AI due to its simplicity and the availability of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. R is also valuable for statistical analysis and data visualization. Third on the list is data management. As companies collect more data, they need professionals to manage and make sense of it. SQL is essential for database management, and learning Python will help you with data manipulation and analysis. Additionally, becoming familiar with big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark can give you an edge. Fourth, let's talk about cloud computing. As more businesses move to the cloud, the demand for cloud experts is skyrocketing. Start by learning AWS or Azure platforms and programming languages like Java, Python, or Go. These will help you build, deploy, and manage cloud applications effectively. Last but not least, DevOps. DevOps integrates software development and IT operations, aiming to shorten the development lifecycle. To excel in DevOps, get comfortable with languages like Python, Ruby, or Bash, and learn about tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins. To sum up, the top 5 domains for a promising career in software engineering are cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data management, cloud computing, and DevOps. Each of these fields has its own set of essential languages and tools to learn. Focus on these areas, keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to a successful career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't seen my last video, How to Land an Internship or Job for Freshers in 2024, make sure to check it out. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll discuss the top 5 domains for management graduates. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which domain you're most interested in.